Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off sound effect in Brain Out game. If you want to enjoy sounds-free experience while playing the Brain Out game, or if you just want to play it in silence without anyone knowing, then first of all open up the Brain Out app on your device. Once you're in this main homepage, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. Now you will see this kind of a menu appearing on the screen. Tap on the music and sound effect. Make sure both of them are crossed like this so that you can disable the music and sound effect in the game. Now the sound and music in Brain Out should be turned off and you can enjoy the game silently. You can always turn it back on anytime by following the same steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.